Did you know that this nutrient deficiency can mitigate the effects of your vitamin D? Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin that acts more like a hormone than a vitamin. It is crucial for various bodily functions. Its most well-known role is in the absorption of calcium and phosphorus, essential for maintaining healthy bones and teeth. However, its benefits extend far beyond bone health. Vitamin D supports the immune system, helps regulate insulin levels, and is vital for cardiovascular health. It also plays a role in brain health, influencing mood and mental health, and has been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers. How does vitamin D work? Vitamin D is unique because it can be synthesized by our bodies when our skin is exposed to sunlight. Once produced or ingested through food or supplements, it undergoes a two-step process in the liver and kidneys to become active. The active form of vitamin D, called calcitriol, binds to receptors in various cells, influencing the expression of numerous genes involved in essential bodily functions. What foods have vitamin D? While sunlight is the primary source of vitamin D, certain foods can help boost your intake. These include fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as fish liver oils. Additionally, egg yolks, beef liver, and mushrooms exposed to sunlight contain smaller amounts of this vital nutrient. How much sun to take? Sun exposure is one of the most effective ways to get vitamin D. However, the amount needed varies based on factors like skin type, location, and time of year. Generally, spending about 15 to 30 minutes in the midday sun several times a week should suffice for most people. It's crucial to expose a significant portion of your skin, such as your arms and legs, without sunscreen. Remember, too much sun exposure increases the risk of skin cancer, so balance is key. For those living in areas with limited sunlight, especially during winter months, vitamin D supplements can be beneficial. What nutrients work with vitamin D? Vitamin D works synergistically with several other nutrients to maximize its benefits. Calcium is the most well-known partner, crucial for bone health. Vitamin K2 is another critical player, helping direct calcium to the bones and away from the arteries, thus preventing calcification. Magnesium is essential for the conversion of vitamin D into its active form and supports over 300 biochemical reactions in the body. Omega-3 fatty acids also enhance vitamin D's anti-inflammatory effects, and zinc supports immune function. Why is magnesium so important for optimal vitamin D function? The one vitamin D danger you need to know. Magnesium is a vital mineral that facilitates the conversion of vitamin D into its active form. Without adequate magnesium, vitamin D cannot be metabolized properly, rendering it less effective. Magnesium deficiency can impair the body's ability to use vitamin D, leading to suboptimal health outcomes. Additionally, magnesium helps maintain normal muscle and nerve function, supports a healthy immune system, keeps the heartbeat steady, and helps bones remain strong. Ensuring sufficient magnesium intake is crucial for maximizing the benefits of vitamin D and maintaining overall health. What are the problems of low vitamin D? Low vitamin D levels can lead to several health issues. In children, it causes rickets, a condition characterized by soft and weak bones. In adults, vitamin D deficiency can lead to osteomalacia, resulting in bone pain and muscle weakness. Long-term deficiency increases the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Additionally, low vitamin D levels have been linked to increased susceptibility to infections, autoimmune diseases, cardiovascular diseases, and certain cancers. Symptoms of deficiency include fatigue, bone pain, muscle weakness, and mood changes like depression. What are the side effects of vitamin D? While vitamin D is essential, too much of it can be harmful. Excessive intake, often due to high-dose supplements, can lead to vitamin D toxicity. Symptoms include nausea, vomiting, weakness, and serious complications like kidney damage due to hypercalcemia, a condition where there is too much calcium in the blood. It's important to follow recommended dosages and consult with a healthcare provider before starting supplements, especially if you are already taking other medications or have underlying health conditions. Also, when having vitamin D supplements, it's very important to stay well hydrated. How to enhance magnesium and vitamin D effects? To optimize the effects of both magnesium and vitamin D, use the following tips. Combined supplements. Look for supplements that include both vitamin D and magnesium to ensure balanced intake. Diet. Include magnesium-rich foods like leafy green vegetables, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and legumes in your diet alongside vitamin D sources. Also have a diet rich in vitamin D, calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K2. Regular sun exposure. Spend time in the sun while ensuring you get adequate magnesium from your diet to enhance the conversion and effectiveness of vitamin D. Hydration. Proper hydration helps with the absorption of minerals and vitamins in the body and prevents potential side effects. Lifestyle choices. Avoid smoking and alcohol consumption, as these can interfere with the absorption and metabolism of both vitamin D and magnesium. Regular exercise. Physical activity enhances bone density and muscle strength, complementing the effects of vitamin D. Supplement wisely. If you have limited sun exposure or dietary intake, consider taking a high-quality vitamin D supplement, ideally combined with magnesium and vitamin K2. Healthy fats. Vitamin D is fat-soluble, so consuming it with healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and extra virgin olive oil can improve absorption. Avoid alcohol. Alcohol can interfere with the liver's ability to metabolize vitamin D. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, vitamin D is not just a vitamin but acts as a hormone essential for bone health, immune function, and overall well-being. Its primary benefit is facilitating calcium and phosphorus absorption, which is crucial for building and maintaining strong bones and teeth. Beyond bone health, vitamin D influences the immune system, helps regulate insulin levels, supports cardiovascular health, and contributes to brain health, impacting mood and mental function. Vitamin D is unique because our bodies can synthesize it when our skin is exposed to sunlight. This synthesis involves a two-step activation process in the liver and kidneys, producing calcitriol, the active form of vitamin D. This active form binds to receptors in various cells, influencing numerous genes essential for maintaining bodily functions. Dietary sources of vitamin D are limited but include fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, and fish liver oils. Egg yolks, beef liver, and mushrooms exposed to sunlight also contain small amounts of vitamin D. Sun exposure remains the most effective way to obtain this nutrient. However, the required amount of sun exposure varies depending on factors like skin type, geographic location, and time of year. Generally, 15 to 30 minutes of midday sun exposure several times a week is sufficient for most people. For those with limited sun exposure, especially during winter, vitamin D supplements are a practical option. Vitamin D works synergistically with several other nutrients. Calcium is essential for bone health, and vitamin K2 helps direct calcium to the bones and away from the arteries, preventing calcification. Magnesium is crucial for converting vitamin D into its active form, supporting over 300 biochemical reactions in the body. Omega-3 fatty acids enhance vitamin D's anti-inflammatory effects, and zinc supports immune function. Ensuring an adequate intake of these nutrients is crucial for maximizing the benefits of vitamin D. Magnesium plays a particularly vital role in vitamin D metabolism. It facilitates the conversion of vitamin D into its active form. Without sufficient magnesium, vitamin D cannot be metabolized properly, diminishing its effectiveness. Magnesium deficiency can impair the body's ability to utilize vitamin D, leading to suboptimal health outcomes. So, ensuring sufficient magnesium intake is critical for harnessing the full benefits of vitamin D. To enhance vitamin D's effects, adopt a healthy food plan rich in vitamin D, calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K2. Regular exercise, which enhances bone density and muscle strength, complements vitamin D's effects. Consuming vitamin D with healthy fats improves absorption, and avoiding excessive alcohol supports optimal metabolism. For those with limited dietary intake or sun exposure, high-quality supplements combining vitamin D, magnesium, and vitamin K2 are recommended. Low vitamin D levels can lead to significant health issues, including rickets in children, osteomalacia in adults, and increased risks of osteoporosis, fractures, infections, autoimmune diseases, cardiovascular diseases, and certain cancers. Symptoms of deficiency include fatigue, bone pain, muscle weakness, and mood changes like depression. While vitamin D is essential, excessive intake can lead to toxicity, particularly from high-dose supplements. Symptoms of toxicity include nausea, vomiting, weakness, and serious complications like hypercalcemia, which can cause kidney damage. It's crucial to stay well hydrated when taking vitamin D supplements. To optimize the effects of both magnesium and vitamin D, consider combined supplements. Include magnesium-rich foods in your diet alongside vitamin D sources. Ensure regular sun exposure, maintain proper hydration, and avoid smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. These strategies can enhance the benefits of vitamin D and support overall health, contributing to a healthier, more vibrant life. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even more content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients. Stay consistent with your training and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.